Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Lifestyle again, and and today's video, it's another unboxing and review product, and I'm so excited for today because it's another collaboration and unboxing with this WUBEFINE Professional Poly Nail Gel Kit. Oh my god! And stay tuned. Bear with me because we're gonna unbox this together. And what are inside with this WUBEFINE Professional Poly Nail Gel Kit. So I love my nails done it properly, professionally, so that it's when your fingers are clean. I'm so meticulous when it comes to my nails, so I think this is perfect. This is really perfect for myself and especially for my nails. So yeah, without any further ado, let's open this together, and let's see what's inside on this box, and what are the inclusions, and what are the different kinds of parts of this WUBEFINE Professional Poly Nail Gel Kit. So yeah, there we go. I super love it, and I love their packaging as well. So let's see what's inside. And I think we have here, we have different kind of one here too. Silver there, and they have WUBEFINE. They have this brush, another sparkling orthopedic nails, sticker, rhinestones where you can put on your nails as well. So yeah, this one is golden. So yeah, and what else? They have this one too. They have the top coat and the foundation, which is the base coat. Let's turn around that way. So yeah, and lastly, they have top coat, base coat, and the other one is another top coat. And we have also this one, another silver dust for your nails. And wow, there's a lot. It has some stickers like that. Yeah, professional nails seal. So they have this one like stencils. This one for your art. So they have in just one box they have lots of. I read this one. Poly Nail Gel Liquid Slip Solution, and this the nail straightener, this one. So you really need that for your nails to be strong. And they have also this one. So these are the nail extension gel. So it has light pink, clear, and white. So amazing. So, and they have the LED light. It has WUBEFINE UV LED nail lamp. It's big. See? And it has the plug right here. Amazing. So, and it has the manual for this UV LED light. And it has, I think that's it. I think this one is brush. See? Oh no. Brush, and then you need to remove your nails. Amazing. So nice. This is very, I think I'll put the link in my description for you guys if you are interested, and if you like this product, you can get for yourself. And you don't need to go to the salon, and you just do it by yourself. See what I did it myself. So I did it myself because of this WUBEFINE. So look at my nails, so easy. And it has a card here. See, WUBEFINE manual. So it has manual here. Easy. So it has instructions and everything. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna, on my next video, I'm gonna video all the stuff that's what's inside in this box by WUBEFINE, so that you would see and how it looks like. And yeah, once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle, and thank you for watching in my video, and see you in my next vlog. And if you haven't subscribed in my video, please do me a favor, please consider subscribe, and hit the notification below, and please like and share and comments if you have, like, if you want to collaborate with me, and I'm willing to work with you guys. So yeah, and yeah, bye for now. And I'm gonna end my next video, so I'll just video all the stuff that's what's inside the WUBEFINE product. So bye for now, and thank you for watching.